Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on how to set up an A/B page test within the Cortex Ecommerce platform. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually log into the backend administration area of your website and click this Marketing Suite button. Once you've done that, go ahead and head over to the Optimization and Testing page, and we're going to actually create a new test here. And what we're going to do is actually call this our Product Test 2. And what we would like to do is actually select the template that we would like to run a test against. And you can run a test against any template within the Cortex system. And if you remember, if you click on the Content and Design area right here, and then go to this Design sidebar, you'll see that this is the actual design area. And here's your templates. You can run a test against any one of these templates. Let's go ahead and head back to our test area. So let's go ahead and run this against a product page. As you can see here is our HTML layout for our product page. We'll scroll down and we'll head to this Add to Cart area here. And as you can see, there's an Add to Cart button. Let's try and test this and make this red. Now there happens to be a class within the backend system called button error that actually turns that button red as opposed to green. The button success class is the green class, or the green item. So let's go ahead and click save there. Now, once you head over to the product page, now this particular product uses that specific template, and what's going to happen is that half of your users are going to view the normal template, and the other half of the users are going to view that template that we just made with the red button. So once that has gone for a little while and you've gotten some testing done, and make sure you let it run for a couple of days, go ahead and head over to the intelligence area, click this campaigns item, find A/B test, we'll click on one of our tests here, and you can see that the Cortex system automatically tracks test versus regular page orders. And it's going to say you're going to get the average here. You're going to get the views, which pages have been viewed. You're going to get page revenue. You're going to get how many were added to the cart. And as you can see here, we have a clear winner on the Add to Cart button. It's obvious that that green button is far more appealing than that red one that we've done. But you're going to get a lot of revenue here. But you can see right here, the actual test page has more revenue, and it also has more profits. So that's another interesting dynamic, that even though the regular page gets more add to carts, the actual test page items are the ones that are getting the most revenue for the system. Now, again, this is all just test data, but these are the type of testing things that come out, and you can think about it and figure out why that might be. You can also just turn off and modify your graphs here to check things out. And view some hard data here at the bottom. And again, this is just test data, but these are the type of weird things that you're going to see in system that with A/B tests. They're not always intuitive and they're not always accurate as to why that would happen. But something like this, I would assume that the test people clicked that red button when they had intent to purchase the whole time. So that might be why you're seeing more revenue and profitability for those items. But again, this is just really simple and always automatically integrated within the system, so you don't have to set up these analytics. You don't have to do anything other than create a new HTML template, modify it within the system, and hit save, and it'll automatically go ahead and swap those pages out for you. Also, you want to make sure that your test is marked as currently running. That's really important as well. So go ahead and set that up, and that basically concludes our tutorial on how to set up an A/B page test. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us, support@cortexecommerce.com. Thank you.